IBM Watson. IBM Watson, developed under the research team, led by David Ferrucci, the principal investigator, in IBM's DeepQA project. It is a cognitive system, enabling a new partnership between people and computers. Cognitive systems understand imagery, language, and other unstructured data like humans do. They can reason, grasp underlying concepts, form hypotheses, infer and extract ideas. With each gathered data point, interaction, and outcome, Watson develops and sharpens expertise, in a continuously learning mode. Watson enhances the ability to see, talk, hear in a cognitive system, and interact with humans in a natural way. Watson capabilities. Watson APIs are the cognitive building blocks that harness our data. Some of the Watson microservices are language services like Alchemy Language Conversation, Document Conversation, Language Translator, Natural Language Classifier, Personality Insight, Retrieve and Rank, Tone Analyzer, Entity Extraction, Sentiment Analysis, Emotion Analysis, Keyword Extraction, Concept Tagging, Relation Extraction, Taxonomy Classification, Author Extraction, Language Detection, Text Extraction, Microformats Parsing, Feed Detection, Linked Data Support. Speech services like Speech to Text, and Text to Speech. Vision services like Visual Recognition, Similarity Search, Data Insight Services, Alchemy Data News. Discovery services like Trade-off Analytics, Embodied Cognition Services. Watson's key offerings. The 5 main key offerings of IBM Watson are Watson Developer Cloud, Watson Virtual Agent, Watson Conversation Service, Watson Discovery Service, and Watson Knowledge Studio. IBM Watson Developer Cloud. Watson Developer Cloud is available in 3 models. First one is the shared one. Shared model is a cloud deployment of WDC, deployed on Bluemix Shared. It offers a solid data security, in a multi-tenant environment, and encryption of data during transit and at rest. Second one is the premium one. Premium model is a single-tenant virtual environment deployment of WDC, deployed on Bluemix Shared. This model incorporates isolated compute, in addition to the security features of Shared. The third one being the dedicated model. Dedicated is a private cloud deployment of WDC, built on top of Bluemix. The dedicated deployment addresses data security and regulatory compliance requirements, by offering hardware isolation, and data encryption, hosted in a soft layer data center. Watson for Engagement. Watson for Engagement encapsulates 2 key offerings of IBM Watson. Watson Conversation Service. Watson Virtual Agent. Watson, as the center of customer engagement, is flexible, provides cost-effective solutions for building chatbots, and virtual agents, which is built from the ground up, or brought with pre-built capabilities. Key features: you build once, can be deployed across multiple platforms. You create natural language interactions with end users, including Q&A, and onboarding. You can detect emotional states of a particular being, and interacts in an appropriate way. You create an omni-channel experience, for better user engagement. You walk customers through business processes, like application forms or resetting a password. You have the capabilities of advanced machine learning. Watson Discovery Service. Watson Discovery Service is a powerful set of APIs, built to help developers find value in your data quickly. Many data scientists spend as much as 80% of their time on so-called data janitor chore, like collecting, cleaning and organizing data sets. Developers face numerous barriers that slow them down when building applications to leverage unstructured data. Massive amounts of diverse and dispersed unstructured contents are difficult to integrate. Analysis requires complex queries and manual filtering. Watson Discovery packages the cognitive technologies together in an easy-to-use and to an end-to-end system, which mainly to focus on specific business problems. It simplifies the infrastructure, scale, and algorithm challenges associated with enriching and analyzing large data sets. Watson Knowledge Studio. IBM Watson Knowledge Studio is an end-to-end system that enables developers and subject matter experts to teach Watson the linguistic nuances of industries and knowledge domains. The main aspect of Watson Knowledge Studio is understanding information extraction. Information extraction is the method of distilling structured data from unstructured data. Three main approaches used to extract information and to keep educating the system are rule-based, machine learning, and hybrid. Rule-based approach. In a rule-based approach, extraction uses rules to perform natural language analysis. It is easy to get started with, easy to trace, and debug. It requires humans to program rules with significant learning curve, but as the complexity widens, it will be difficult to maintain. Machine learning approach. In this approach, it uses inference and statistical models to perform natural language analysis. Machine learning enables to learn on the run, or taught by examples without the need to write code for it. It is the better approach if there is large volume of growing data is involved. It can be more difficult to debug, as it is somewhat opaque to the developer. It is also required to create ground truth. Hybrid approach. Hybrid approach is the combination of both rule-based and machine learning approach. Rule-based approach is the best suited when you start off and scale over time using machine learning approach. Can use rule-based to accelerate training and improve precision through machine learning models. It requires a solution to integrate both the approaches.